Hi guys, Terry here. I got something in the mail today from close to my heart. Oh, I remember I went on the website. This was what kind of drew me into their stuff. Isn't that bunny adorable? I get that it's after Easter, but for next year, or just on any cute card. I just thought he was adorable. So there's a bunny. I also didn't have really small acrylic blocks, so this is their little 1-inch one. And this one's called Wild and Free. Enjoy the view. Wild and free. Adventure ahead. I just thought those were cute. I thought the fish was nice for a masculine card. So I thought those were cute. This one here, I think this was the stamp of the month. Isn't that adorable? It says, "You make me happy." I love those ones. The words say, "Sending hugs, love you always, thinking of you, just for you, and you make me happy, and miss you." I just thought those were so cute. And then this one is called Officially Awesome Stamp. Oh, this was the stamp of the month. So this was Operation Smile. I think if you ordered a certain amount, you got this for, I don't remember the dollar amounts. But this was the stamp of the month. I thought it was cute. You are officially awesome. So that'd be a fun one to play with. I like how close to my heart stamps are stored. They used to have a snap on here, and now they just have a folding pocket. It keeps it all inside there. And then, of course, it always comes with the little piece of plastic that you can stamp on so that you get a good impression. So I have my stamps stored in these IKEA boxes right here next to my desk, and I've got them labeled. So they're inside here with some of these are close to my heart, but they're also other brands. And I put those in those Avery L envelopes. Let me get those out to show you. Here's one. So here's how you can see the close to my heart fit in the box really well. And then I've got various other brands in here. So Jane Davenport. And then these are the Avery L envelopes. I like these because they've got a flap on them. They don't come with the piece of paper in them. I cut that paper to fit just so that you can see the stamp instead of it being clear. And then I can just flip down through here and find the stamp that I want. And I've kind of got them labeled here. This one's called Friends. So this would be ones that I would think of, you know, sending to girlfriends. So my categories are kind of birthday and thanks. See up there in the top. Birthday and thanks. Holidays. I've got one called Flowers because I have a lot of nature things. And then masculine and critters, and then the friends ones that I just showed you. So those work well for the non-Stampin' Up! Ones. And then, hi Hershey. She's working hard. And then I have my Stampin' Up! Ones in this. It's an old CD case holder. The kids used to have their video games on it. So I have them there, and then I've got all the Stampin' Up! I like how the Stampin' Up! Ones come too, because you can see right on the edge here, you know, it kind of shows well on the side of it. And then I have them there. You can see that's full, so the idea would be not to order any more of those, but you know, the monthly ads come out and then we can't help ourselves. So thanks guys. I will show using these, making cards, in an upcoming video, and I hope you guys all stay safe. Have a great day. Subscribe so we can stay in touch, and I will have links to these products on my website. Thanks guys. Hey, I thought of something else I wanted to add on. This is the Avery L packets that I mentioned. They come in a pack of, these came in a 50 pack, and then, like I said, I cut the pieces of copy paper down to fit inside the envelope. They're very sturdy, they have a flap on them. And then I usually take the stamp out of the packaging it came in. I write the brand and the stamp name on the back. And then, yeah, these go inside those IKEA boxes really well. So I have, usually a smaller stamp will fit in the, this is called the large size. It's a 5.5 by 7 3/8 pocket. And then I can just have these in the box and quickly flip through them. And then, oh, I was going to tell you too that, like, I have these stamp sets here, both the Close to My Heart and Creative Memory. I use Evernote. I'll just show you a glance here. So in Evernote, I can have the list of the stamps. So here's where I have a list of the stamps. And I put a picture from the website of what it is. So this way, on my list over here, I can search for something, and when I get a new stamp set, or if I'm at a garage sale or something, I can just pull up Evernote on my phone and I can type in something. Let's say like the officially. I can see that I don't have that stamp set. So it's just a great way to search for stuff. Also, when I'm going to make a card, if I'm looking for something with birthday in it, or you know, any kind of, Evernote will look and scan the image and find the words that way, but then you can also tag maybe other words on there, like fishing or masculine or something, so that you can find those stamp sets. So I love Evernote for that. Evernote is free up to a certain amount of data per month, and then I think it's $40 to $60 a year. I think when I signed up it was $40 a year. So I do like Evernote for that purpose. So I just wanted to show you the bags and using Evernote to show your list of stamps so that you have the list and you can search. So now I'll say goodbye. Thanks guys.